I got 2 stands, right? You just play terrible Tetris.
Okay, I brought the list and I brought everything that I don't need.
Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
All right, y'all, what up? Ongoing saga. Today's the day that I go and I get the parts for my Lexus GS300 because if you remember, it's a build that's going to be able to handle upwards of 1,200 horsepower. Not too happy with the way things have been done, so I'm going there. Got the totes, got the rollers in the back because it's been taken apart, and Turbo James doesn't know that I'm going to be getting it out of there. So right now, hopefully he has the parts list and all of my parts because I want to keep that at the house, and I'm gonna have to break the news to him that not only does he owe me money for everything that he hasn't accomplished and all the stuff he hasn't done, but my car is going to be leaving there. So we'll see what happens, and I don't know if I want to tell him everything. You know, I don't know. Just watch, man. Import Life Media, like and subscribe. Laugh at my pain. Here we go. Here we go.
Your car is cursed.
Is that right? Yeah, hold on. This just happened. Yeah. New bumper, new lip, new fender, new side marker.
Hopefully the mounts on the light isn't broken.
Yeah. So, whole new paint job. But, aside of that, we're here. Oh. That's not mine.
No, it's not yours.
Okay.
Look inside.
Inside of this?
Look at your console and your dash are all out. Your shifter's right there to take and match up with a new one that you got to bring me. One more harness and then some deep scrubbing and we're priming.
That's over?
Yeah, that's just sitting there. That's what I'm going to put on your stand and you can take home.
I got 2 stands, right?
No, you got one. One stand. Pick one.
Oh, when we bought it, did they only have one?
Yeah, it's only one stand. It's just a heavy duty stand.
Well, no, because I thought I got 2 stands. One for this one, right? To roll and take out, and then one for that one.
That's my stand.
Yeah, I think I'll tell her to take that one.
Okay.
Yeah. I gotta get another stand then. And then I'm gonna need a truck for.
Yeah, you got a pile. You got intake parts. You got exhaust parts. You got everything there. You got a transmission to go home. You got all sorts of goodies to go home. And I need rollers.
They're in my truck right now.
Oh, you got them. Okay. But there's your pile of parts you're going home of. The biggest one you got to be careful of is that right there. That's your intake.
This is all of them? This is all the parts?
All but what I need to put the engine together.
But we're not even to that yet.
Radiator, you got intercooler, you got turbo, you got the front suspension parts, fittings for your fuel system on the forward side. All your empty boxes, your intake.
But we're not even to this part yet, though. No, because you just said like everything's here, but except the stuff to put the engine together. But like we're not even.
I'm keeping everything to put the engine together and the rear brakes and all that stuff and everything. And all this is going home with you. This is intercooler, radiator, intercooler's right there. Radiator, intercooler. Radiator, intercooler's right there.
Huh.
That needs to go somewhere soft.
Oh, there's more stuff?
All I want to know is when will this baby be back on the road so I can get beat by it every day and feel bad about myself. Started off good with
That was a
Sal.
long ass.
All I want to know is when will you be on the street?
Sounded like a little bit of self-loathing there.
Yeah, because I was like, I wanted to be on the street, but I know I'm not going to.
Take this. Here.
Oh yeah, I need a bumper.
All right, so I'm gonna come with a.
Trailer.
I'm thinking just a box truck.
It'll fit. I mean, you got old header cats.
I mean, the trailer will do, yeah. You know what I mean?
Parts.
And then those are my fenders up there, my wheel wells.
Okay, so if you bring the box truck, you want this on the stand the next time you come?
Yeah.
Okay.
Even if it's a trailer, yeah, you know what I mean?
I'll get it up on a stand and then get the yoke put on it.
Okay. Well.
Okay.
All right. No, there's room, but you just play terrible Tetris.
Okay, and also
That's why you got to double check. It's
He
probably
said
like
it was good.
okay.
if we plan
Shows
this
I thought that's all we
for
were thinking.
if we plan this for about a week from now, I can have your test samples sprayed out too for your engine compartment color, because they're going to have to blend into it if it's the same color as the car.
What does that mean? Because if I paint it, whatever I'm painting is going to be, you know what I'm saying? So whatever color I pick, it's not going to be different.
Okay, you're going to do the engine bay the same color as the car.
I would like to. Yeah.
Okay. A lot of people change.
Make it easy. If we already have the paint, just you know what I mean, and then spraying it. Done.
You already have the code and all that. So yeah. Okay. Because that just tells me where I got to put a brake line. I'll put a brake line just below the lip here, so they can just paint around the corner.
All right.
That makes it easy.
The list, is that everything or just what you brought?
List.
The list that you have?
I brought the list, and I brought everything that I don't need.
No, what I'm saying, what's on the list is
Everything you bought to date, labor to date, and your credit left on your account. Labor's on the second page. And all your parts are on the front page. Top line is your deposits. Every dime you've given me.
right.
Then all your parts are subtracted out of that to a bottom line. Then your labor's on the second page. That's subtracted, and your credit's on the bottom. That's how much you still have on your credit for it. Then this is all your parts. The parts totals to that.
All right. I want to make sure this doesn't get lost or messed up.
I have a copy of it.
Well, no, I'm talking for me because I have everything in folders.
If you lose it, I have it on my
Hold on,
phone.
with all the receipts that I got in front of me, I'll put
I
it
have
in
it
there
on my
with
phone, and I have a hard copy of it.
Which one? Go back.
No bad.
All right, everything went well, as best as it could, and there was even a moment where Turbo James kind of called me to the side and asked if he could talk to me because he's seen some of the past videos, and I guess he didn't like the way he was portrayed, or even with some of the numbers and things like that. But you guys are seeing what I'm, you know what I mean, as I go through it and hearing conversations as it happened, and even afterwards and before, you're also hearing my opinion how I feel about it. And even, you know, I mean, he would still talk about the work he wants to do, and then, you know, one thing I did notice is some of the numbers were different than which was first discussed. I don't know, it just kind of sucks because you can see my truck is boxed up. He said that's all that he could fit in his car to get to the shop. Might be true, might be an excuse, it is what it is, but I know what's at his house is like my whole brake kit and everything like that. But I'll wrap this up. Do I think he's a bad guy? I don't. You know what I mean? Do I think that he probably bit off a little bit more than he can chew? I do think so, because certain ideas sound good to me, and I do pull the trigger, sometimes jump the gun, but once I commit to something, I gotta stick with it. Even if I start questioning myself, and he's doing all this being one person at a shop. So does he do good work? I don't know, but next time I go down there, which should be probably within another week or something like that, we're gonna have a sit down, we're gonna talk, and I'm gonna break it to him. So, and we're gonna have to try to figure out the money situation, because he owes me almost 13 grand, and I don't even know where the paper's at. Anyway, I'm out of like 12,900 and something or whatever like that credit for what I've already given him. So I'm gonna have to need that back, you know. We'll see what happens, man. Import Life Media, please like and subscribe, and we are still on a mission to build this 1200 horsepower Lexus GS300. All right, if you guys have IG, add me at Import Life Media, and as always, man, stay blessed and tune in for the next episode. I appreciate y'all.